Now to our COVID coverage and some encouraging news for Stanislaus County. Health officials announced today they are ending the mask mandate for the majority of people. That means that vaccinated people are no longer required to wear a mask inside most places, including businesses and offices.
The county started the mandate back in September as the COVID cases were on the rise. At this point, the case numbers have dropped below 20 per 100,000, and that is the threshold that officials wanted to meet. The new guidelines are only for those who are fully vaccinated, though. So if you're not vaccinated, the county says you should still be wearing a mask. Schools also still need to follow the state guidelines, so children have to continue wearing masks in the classroom.
KCRA 3's Brittany Hope is live for us in Modesto tonight with more on these changes.
Hi, good evening. Yeah, so we've really been going door-to-door businesses here in Modesto who are open, and reactions are mixed. But the unified message from people tonight is hopefully this is a sign we're headed in the right direction. In downtown Modesto tonight, folks walking in and out of restaurants, some wearing their face covering, others not. Stanislaus County's late night decision to remove its mask mandate came as a surprise to many. In fact, businesses we talked to here didn't know until we told them. Henry, who works the front of the house here at Food Fix Butcher and Baker, said this is welcome news.
It's uncomfortable, and especially like when I'm at work running around in circles all day, it gets hot and it gets gross, and especially when it's loud, people can't hear what I'm saying because they can't read my lips and all that, so it really helps to not have it on.
He isn't sure yet what the restaurant will do in terms of mask enforcement. The spot is still supplying masks and sanitizer to customers who want them. Personally, he's excited.
Everyone should be able to make their own decision, and whatever you think is best for you and your family and your personal well-being, I think is what you should do.
But this isn't a free-for-all. Although the county is taking away its mask mandate, the state's rules are still in place. That means the unvaccinated still have to mask up indoors. And everyone, regardless of vaccination status, has to wear a face covering at these places on your screen, like public transit, schools, hospitals, shelters, and long-term care facilities. Staffs at Chefs of New York hope the county's rule change will increase business. We asked how they will determine which customers are vaccinated and unvaccinated.
It is hard to, you know what I mean, control that. We just like to do the honor system and make sure that people are being honest with that.
But employees who are fully vaccinated can choose for themselves.
I'm vaccinated, and I'm still going to wear my mask, I think, after even though, because I'll just feel more safe. And that's just my personal choice.
They do ask for all customers to still do the basics.
Just please be careful, wash your hands, just do all the necessary things to keep yourself clean and others around you clean and safe. So, especially I have a daughter, I have an 18-month-old daughter, so just coming to work and doing this is enough stress for me to come home and make sure that she's safe and clean as well.
Tonight's announcement, a hopeful step toward normalcy.
Normal almost seems like it's changed in the past 2 years, but hopefully we can go back to what it was eventually.
And back out here live, there is another but to all of this. The county says it would have to bring back the mask mandate if cases and hospitalizations go back up. Live in Modesto, Brittany Hope, KCRA 3 News.
Yeah, we certainly hope we don't see that. Brittany, thank you.